sustainability. Imagine stepping into a car, knowing that every material used is kind to the planet and respects human rights. This is the new definition of luxury, where opulence and ethics converge. Picture this. You settle into seats upholstered with textiles derived from pineapples or mushrooms, an innovative, cruelty-free alternative to leather. The cabin around you is crafted from recycled plastics and plant-based fibers, offering a plush ambiance that doesn't compromise on environmental responsibility. But it's not just about the materials, it's also about where they come from. The wood trim you admire, it's sustainably sourced from responsibly managed forests. The minerals that power your car's battery, they're extracted without harming communities or ecosystems. Ethical sourcing is no longer a mere buzzword. It's a key differentiator in the luxury car market, a testament to the fact that sustainability and social responsibility can indeed go hand in hand. In this era of rapid technological advancements, science is the driving force behind this revolution. Imagine car manufacturers harnessing biofabrication techniques to create leather-like materials from microorganisms, or employing 3D printing to construct interior components from recycled waste. Such innovative technologies not only promise sustainability, but also offer endless possibilities for customization and design. Of course, the road to this sustainable and ethical future isn't without its bumps. There are cost considerations, challenges in ensuring the performance and durability of these new materials, and the need to educate consumers about their benefits. But the future is bright. The leaps in material science, the growing demand for ethical products, and the unwavering commitment of luxury carmakers are paving the way for a more sustainable and responsible industry. Luxury is no longer just about price tags and horsepower. It's about driving a car that reflects your values and respects the planet and its people. The future of sustainable and ethical luxury driving is here, and it's a